When I started using this word, people began asking for my advice. You're not just saying, I know. You are saying, you truly understand and acknowledge something. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I want to be honest with you. I'm still learning English, just like many of you watching this video right now. But something amazing happened when I started using these 8 words. People suddenly thought my English was way more advanced than it actually was. And do you know the best part? These words aren't even that difficult. You just need to know them and start using them. So today I'm sharing these 8 powerful words with you. Let's dive in. Word number 1. This is a word you can use instead of saying make better or improve. It sounds more natural and sophisticated. The word is enhance. Enhance. Example: this would enhance the presentation. Do you see the difference? Same meaning, but sounds more professional. I remember the first time I used this word in a meetings. My colleague looked at me like, oh, this person really knows English. And honestly, that gave me so much confidence to keep learning and using new words. Word number 2. Life is always changing, right? We face new situations every day. And there's one perfect word that describes how we handle these changes. The word is adapt. Adapt. For example, I can adapt to different work environment quickly. The word is powerful, especially in job interview. When you say I adapt easily, employers love that. It's because it shows flexibility and confidence. As language learners, we are adapting every single day. New grammar, new pronunciation, new expressions. We are already doing it. So why not use the perfect word to describe it? Word number 3. This one is the most common word native speakers use. And once you notice it, you will hear it everywhere. The word is recognize. Recognize. Example: I recognize that I need more practice with pronunciation. I recognize the importance of learning vocabulary. It shows self-awareness and maturity. You're not just saying, I know. You are saying, you truly understand and acknowledge something. Native speakers use this constantly in both casual and professional conversations. It's versatile, natural, and makes you sound thoughtful. Word number 4. In today's busy world, everyone wants to save time and work smarter. The word is efficient. Efficient. Example: this study method is more efficient than the old one. I try to be efficient with my time. When I started using this word, people began asking for my advice. Because when you talk about being efficient, it shows you care about results. It's a simple word, but carries a lot of weight. Word number 5. This is a connector word. It links ideas smoothly and sounds professional. The word is furthermore. Furthermore. Example: this apartment is affordable. Furthermore, it's close to my workplace. I'll be honest, The first few times I used it, I felt a bit fancy. But that's a good thing. It means you are pushing yourself to a higher level, and soon it feels totally natural. Word number 6. This word is perfect when you want to show you are a team player. The word is contribute. Contribute. For example, I'd love to contribute to this project. How can I contribute to the team's success? When I started using this word, I stopped waiting for instructions. I began offering to contribute, and people notice. It shows initiative, it shows your care, it shows you want to help other success too. Word number 7. This is the ultimate word for goals and success. The word is achieve. Achieve. For example, I want to achieve fluency in English. She achieved amazing results. Compare that to saying do fluency or did results. Doesn't work, right? Achieve sounds focused, determined, and professional. Use it every time you talk about your dreams or goals. Word number 8. This word is brilliant for discussion or debates. It makes you sound like a critical thinker. The word is conversely. 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 For example, remote work offers flexibility. Conversely, office work provides better team collaboration. I'll be honest, this was hard for me to use naturally at first, but I kept practicing and now I use it confidently when writing or speaking English. You don't need to use it every day, but when you do, it really impresses people. Alright, those are 8 words that can seriously upgrade your English level. Remember, I'm on this journey with you. Some days I use these words perfectly. Other days I forgot or mess up. And that's totally fine. The key is we are trying, practicing, and improving little by little. Here's my challenge for you. Pick one word from this list. Use it 3 times this week in conversation or writing. Then next week, add another. Soon, use these words will become natural and people notice your progress. If this video helped you, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and like for more English tips. And tell me in the comments, which word will you try first? Thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video.